Have you ever felt like you're on autopilot, reacting to life rather than living it? Well, that is the play of your subconscious mind, and you have more control over it than you think.
Imagine a person driving a car through thick fog. They can barely see a thing. That foggy driver is your subconscious mind, running the show, but unable to see clearly. Sitting quietly in the back seat is the passenger. That passenger is you, your true self, the witness. The car itself is just your body and mind. It's the vehicle you're traveling in, but it is never who you really are. Right now, the passenger is scared. Why? Because of the fog. That fog represents your beliefs, habits, fears, and thoughts, clouding everything. But here's the catch. Clear the fog, and the passenger is no longer afraid. The passenger sees clearly. The passenger rests, and the passenger is finally at peace. To view the flowing river, you need to be at the banks of the river and witness. To change the way you think, live, and act, you need to change the old patterns. Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP, is the solution which empowers you with new tools by providing a GPS to map where the old beliefs came from and where they're leading. B. Fog lights, to see through the haze of limiting thoughts. And C. A new route planner, to replace old unhelpful patterns with empowering ones. This is not hypnosis, it's mind programming. Remember, you the passenger have infinite potential. Your mental fog has made you act as finite. NLP doesn't create a new you. It reveals the you that was always there, now finally able to see. Are you ready to clear the mental fog and explore a new you? Visit RewireYou.my.canva.site to know more and book your free one-on-one session online.